special day with Grandma Rose. Ella woke up feeling excited. Today was Grandparents' Day, and she was going to spend the whole day with her Grandma Rose. The sun peeped through the curtains, casting a warm golden light over the room. Ella put on her favorite yellow dress and skipped downstairs, where Grandma Rose was waiting with a big, loving smile. Grandma Rose had a surprise for Ella, a photo album full of pictures and stories from when Grandma was a little girl. They sat together on the cozy sofa, flipping through pages filled with black and white photos. Grandma told Ella about the games she played, the foods she loved, and the celebrations she enjoyed with her family. Ella listened closely, imagining what life was like long ago. After the stories, Grandma Rose led Ella to the kitchen, where they baked a batch of cookies. The sweet smell of vanilla and chocolate chips filled the air as they mixed and stirred. Grandma showed Ella how to measure ingredients carefully and told her that every family has special recipes passed down through generations. Ella loved helping and felt proud to learn these family traditions. Later, they went outside to the garden, where Grandma Rose pointed out flowers and plants from different parts of the world. She told Ella about the places she had visited and the people she had met, sharing lessons about kindness and respect for all cultures. Ella felt curious and happy to learn about the big world beyond her neighborhood. As the day ended, Ella gave Grandma Rose a big hug. She felt grateful for the stories, the tastes, and the love they had shared. Grandma Rose smiled and said, "Remember, dear Ella, every moment together is a treasure. Our family stories and love connect us across time." Ella promised to visit often and keep their special bond alive. That night, Ella tucked into bed, thinking about the wonderful day. She knew that grandparents hold a special place in our hearts, teaching us about love, history, and respect. She dreamed of more days filled with laughter, stories, and warm hugs from Grandma Rose.